Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is it. This is the newest, very expensive and a slight spec bump to its predecessor, the iPhone 13. Now inside the box you get very less stuff. You get the phone itself, a charging cable, some paperwork and one Apple sticker. The most unsatisfying unboxing experience ever because you literally don't get a lot of stuff inside the box and that is very frustrating. Now I have been using the iPhone 13 for about a day and it's in time for me to give you my first impressions about this phone. Now this year Apple has played it very safe. They're following the principle that if it ain't broke then don't fix it. I think that is a good strategy because the iPhone 12 was already a very good smartphone. So they took the iPhone 12, improved a couple of things and called it the iPhone 13. Now what are the improvements? First up, there is an improvement with the display itself. Aesthetically the notch is smaller but there is no functional advantage to it. Like it looks good but there is no functional advantage whatsoever. So yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. I did not even notice it until I saw it. So it's just a normal detail. But apart from that, the display is actually brighter this time. This difference is actually noticeable from the iPhone 12. It is brighter, especially in direct sunlight conditions. The brighter display definitely comes in handy over here. Apart from that, the size and the resolution is exactly same as last year. So it's just the brightness that has been bumped up. The next improvement is in terms of the battery life. Battery life is supposed to be way better as compared to iPhone 12. And in my one day of testing, I am glad to say that the battery life on this phone has been excellent. By far, it has been the best iPhone for me in terms of battery life. So I really appreciate the good battery life on this smartphone. One thing that I do not appreciate is the lightning port and the slow charging. It still does not have fast charging. It has fast charging technically, but not to the standards of its competitors out there. We've seen 65 watt, 120 watt fast charging out there. But yeah, this one is slow charging according to 2021 standards. Now, one of the major improvements with the iPhone 13 this year is with the cameras. On the rear side, the cameras are now diagonally arranged. That is just an aesthetic thing. But both the cameras are newer sensors. They are bigger with wider apertures and that clearly shows in the photos. You can shoot some awesome photos with the main as well as the ultra wide angle camera. The photos are detailed, dynamic range is excellent, the colors are natural and the overall image is very pleasing to the eye. I had a very good experience while shooting photos with the iPhone 13. Now one major improvement over here is in terms of low light photography. Low light photos are just next level with the iPhone 13 and that is instantly noticeable. It is better than the iPhone 12 and I do appreciate that. Now one new thing that Apple has done this year is picture profiles. So you can choose between various picture profiles and as soon as you open up the camera application for the first time, it will ask for your preference. So you have standard, rich contrast, vibrant, warm and cool. You can choose whatever you want and then it will set every image to that picture profile. So this is a very good thing for pro photographers who like their photos to be in a particular style. So if you have your style, you can choose your picture profile. You can also edit the profile and that is a good thing. So it's not like a normal filter, it's more than a filter and it does come in handy. Now the main thing with the camera this year which everyone seems to be talking about is cinematic mode. Cinematic mode is nothing but portrait mode for videos and it's a hit or miss right now. Like the edge detection is okayish but the concept of it is very good and I'm pretty sure that Apple is going to push out software updates and make it better. Right now it is good, like you can change the focus while shooting or after shooting as well and the videos do look cinematic, but it has a long way to go. It's nowhere near perfect, but the concept is just excellent. Now you guys know me, I'm going to be taking a lot of photos and videos and I will make a dedicated camera review of this smartphone, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel because you don't want to miss that coverage. Now one more upgrade is with the chip itself. So this year the iPhone 13 comes with the A15 Bionic chipset, which is an awesome one. It is not as good as the one on the Pro. Like up until last year, the Pro and the normal variant would come with the same chipset. But this year that is not the case. The Pro has a better GPU, in fact a way better GPU. So Apple is trying to differentiate the normal and Pro versions, which is a good thing because the Pro variant costs way more than the normal variant. But nevertheless, the bottom line is that A15 Bionic is excellent. It's a very good processor and performance on the smartphone as always has been nothing short of great. Apart from all this, there are no upgrades with the iPhone 13. It's essentially an iPhone 12 spec bump. They could have easily called this the iPhone 12s and called it a day. I would not say that it is a big upgrade. So if you own an iPhone 12 or even an iPhone 11 for that matter, do not buy this smartphone. Wait till next year, because I'm pretty sure that next year Apple is going to do something even better, and that would be a worthy upgrade. But on the other hand, if you own something like an iPhone 10 or 10s, then you can definitely buy this smartphone because it is better than the iPhone 12 and cost the same as well. In fact, in India, the base storage is reduced by 5,000 rupees, so that is an excellent thing. So if you own iPhone 10, 10s or something even before than that, then you can buy the iPhone 13. I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, this was my very quick impressions about the iPhone 13. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.